Farm Animals Quiz. Children, we all are fascinated by animals. So, are you ready to test your knowledge through some questions? Let's begin. Which animal guards our house? Dog guards our house. Which animal gives us wool? Sheep gives us wool. Which animals give us milk? Cow, buffalo, and goat give us milk. Which animal like to roll around in mud? Pig like to roll around in mud. Which animal's eggs do we eat? We eat eggs of hens and ducks. Which animal has soft fur and long ears? Rabbit has soft fur and long ears. Which animal keeps rat away? Cat keeps rat away. Which animal carries load? Donkey carries load. Which animal plough the fields? An ox plough the fields. Which animals are used for transportation? Horses and camels are used for transportation. What is the young goat called? A young goat is called kid. What is the baby of sheep called? The baby of sheep is called lamb. Where does a cat live? A cat lives in a cage. Where does a horse live? A horse lives in a stable.